All right, what is up, gang? Everyone, I'm back at it again. Um, Eric here, Traveling Train. Just wanted to kind of go over a little quick video recap for you guys, just to try to catch you guys up on some things. I know it's been, a minute since I've been able to make videos, but as some of you guys know, if you're in the Facebook group and stuff like that, try to keep everything, as updated as I can, but I've been very busy, especially, with it being the, last 3 months of the year, wrapping things up, you know, not only just like finance wise, but, personal life stuff too. As some of you guys know, I've, just got married recently. Was in the process of looking for another home, but, put that on the back burner and just, other little things. With it being a holiday season, wrapping up, football and baseball, just other things going on. So it's been really, really difficult for me to be able to get on here and do these videos towards like the, time frame that I wanted to do. But, I try to keep you guys updated as much as I can. As you know, I am still trading. I just don't have time to do all these, video things and recaps like that. As the, end of the year winds down and as we're coming into 2024, hopefully things will slow down. I'll have a little more time to do these videos, but until then, they'll be sparingly here on out just for the time being until things flatten out for me personally as well again. But I'll try to do this as much as I can. As you guys know, you subscribers and all that good stuff, you still have access to me uh, directly through the channel, the alerts. You have my emails. You can always still reach out to me. I'll still try to get to you as quickly as I can. But just understand I might be a little bit busy. But a lot to catch up on here, guys. Some things that has transpired since probably I've made my last video. A few things actually. I mean, first and foremost, Charlie Munger died. I don't know if you guys know who that is, but he's one of the chairmen of Berkshire Hathaway with Warren Buffett. He's been there for like forever, but he passed away. So RIP to him. He's one of the great investors in the finance realm. If you guys know who that is, but yeah, that was some surprising news today. So I mean, he lived a pretty long and healthy life, so you know, no problem there. But that was one thing that happened just today alone. Maybe that's probably why the market was zooming. But other than that, Thinkorswim is updated, is officially transformed to Charles Schwab. So some of you who might have Thinkorswim as your platform may have noticed that change as well too. There's been some other changes with other platforms, but nothing as strenuous. But I know a lot of traders said they were having issues with their Thinkorswim platform earlier when the transition went through. Me personally, I haven't had any issues, but you know, we'll see. Still seems the same to me. They just changed the color from green to blue. So other than that, not too heavy in Charles Schwab. But as I progress into it, I'll probably get into a little bit more. But nothing's really changed on the platform, so you're good to go with that. Other than that, market's still, kind of stagnant. It's been, I mean, aside from today, it's just been fairly, as expected. I gave you guys a little time frame of what to expect, whether the market was going to be busy, things going to be moving, vice versa, and everything is playing out like I told you guys it would because it's, it's all cyclical. Overall, we're still in the bearish market, despite what happened today and what we're going to go over. The overall market is still in a bearish cyclical stage, so keep that in mind as you're trading. Greed and fear index, take a look at the VIX when you guys get a chance. Monitor that thing every day so you get a sentiment of the market and how it's going, just so you can help, trade better. But today, guys, I just wanted to catch you up on just those little bit of things, but mostly just go over this trade here today because I got a few questions from a lot of you guys. I think since the market has changed, a lot of you guys are also kind of doing like the market and your sentiments changing as far as your trading and things like that. Don't let that get to you, especially as a new trader. Like I said, if you've been doing this less than 5 years, you still haven't even done a full market cycle yet. So you're not gonna, this is all still new to you. It seems like it's a long time, but it's not a long time. A lot of you guys entered in, 2019, 2020 area. If you haven't been trading before then, you don't really know. This is kind of your first exposure to this, but it's just part of the cycle, okay? Now, one thing I wanted to touch on, I'm gonna just touch on really like just mainly two trades. Um, but you guys, you had plenty of opportunity here today to capitalize on mainly, two trades, if not more. I mean, there was plenty of more, but we're gonna focus on two. But it was a good day. I'm gonna probably trade tomorrow. Now, I won't, I may not trade Friday, especially after the way today went. but just kind of scale back. But I wanted to answer a lot of the questions you guys had. I didn't really write them down, but I'll try to address them as I'm going along with reviewing this recap here, and hopefully it helps you out. Okay. Um, so let's first kind of get into it first and foremost. Let's just kind of start from the top where things normally should be at. First and foremost, you guys know when you're coming